In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Lens on Chrome. This is a very quick and useful feature that can help you learn more about almost any image you find while browsing the web. Google Lens lets you search using an image instead of typing a description manually, which can save time and help you find more accurate results. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the web page that contains the image you want to search. This can be a product photo, a landmark, an animal, a piece of clothing, or any other image that catches your attention. Once you've found the image, take a moment to make sure it's clearly visible on the page, because that will make it easier to select the correct item. Next, move your cursor over the specific image you want to use. Then, right-click on that image to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Search Image with Google Lens and click it. As soon as you select that option, Chrome will open the Google Lens search results for that image. Depending on the version of Chrome you're using, the results may appear in a side panel or in a new tab. From there, Google will analyze the image and show you visually similar matches, related content, and sometimes additional information that helps you identify what you're looking at. This is especially helpful if you want to find the source of an image, shop for something similar, compare styles, or learn more about an object or place. If the image contains multiple items, you may also be able to refine the search by focusing on a particular part of the image inside the Google Lens results. And that's it. That's how to use Google Lens on Chrome. It's a simple feature, but it can be incredibly practical for everyday browsing. If you use Chrome often, this is a great tool to keep in mind whenever you come across an image you want to explore further. Feel free to use it anytime you need a fast visual search directly from your browser.